5 artificial intelligence trends to track in 2025. Imagine a future where human creativity blends seamlessly with machine precision. Artificial intelligence in 2025 is not just about innovation, but redefining industries and elevating lives. If you want to stay ahead, these are the 5 trends you simply must understand. Firstly, generative AI is taking leaps in creativity, creating art, drafting complex documents, even coding. But it's more than tools. It challenges the very limits of human-like reasoning. While some experts fear AI will surpass human intellect, others emphasize its current flaws. This evolution raises new ethical and practical questions. Number 2, AI agentic systems will go beyond chatbots. Imagine marketing campaigns, customer service, or even personal assistants driven by AI decision-making. They automate nuanced tasks with remarkable efficiency, saving billions globally. Still, challenges like reasoning gaps and ethical risks mean these agents are only scratching their potential. Number 3, AI-powered humanoid robots are stepping off the pages of sci-fi and into industries like healthcare and retail. India's Anushka and global advancements in humanoids showcase practical integrations, from elder care to space expeditions. They're not just machines. They represent hope in alleviating laborious and dangerous human tasks. Number 4, AI could bolster digital defenses but also enhance cyber attacks. As tools grow sharper, threats like deepfakes and social engineering challenge security systems. Enterprises are turning to predictive AI for solutions, but vulnerabilities remain, highlighting a crucial field to watch. Number 5, governments and companies are investing in robust AI ecosystems, from data centers to advanced semiconductors. Access to GPUs, AI training models, and localized datasets is fueling innovation, especially in countries like India. This trend ensures AI's growth knows no geographic boundaries. Friends, AI won't wait for anyone, and neither should you. Stay informed, explore its possibilities, and advocate for ethical integration. Embrace the AI revolution, because the future we imagine today will shape the world tomorrow. Together we can create technology that not only innovates but uplifts humanity. That quote is all for this video. More to come in the next ones.